I'm here in my office and I have this new organizing product I am thrilled to check out. Ooh, I'm thrilled to put this to use. So it's very well packaged. That's always the first thing that I check out. And okay, as long as it survives the drop. Individually shrink wrapped pieces. This is going to be such a fun wall organizer. Here in my office, I have quite a few white and black components, and then I love me some color. So this will be great to fill with colorful office supplies. I can see so many different applications. My mind definitely goes to crafting, but also like a home organization, kind of a command center for the family. Yes. All right. We have a peg and hook system here. These are going to conveniently hook in there. And then it's awesome because it's reconfigurable. As you can see, you'll be able to move things around as they suit your purpose. It looks like we have a duplication of these. You have two of each size. Gives you kind of the impression what they look like. And then we have 4 of the pegboards. With the instructions, it looks like it is super simple. Within 8 steps, you are in business. Okay, so I was just checking out how it is going to mount on the wall, and this is going to be really convenient. Now, when I open up the pegboards, there is a handy dandy tool right in there, and then the rest of the hardware was still in the box. So this is fun. Okay, I forgot there's going to be extra hooks, which will be really nice. I can see putting them all in a row and being able to hang several things off of them, such as mini scissors and that sort of thing. And then this is all self-adhesive pieces to be able to position them on the wall. So you don't have to worry about wall damage, you don't have to worry about anchoring and then changing your mind on position and having a whole bunch of anchors in the wall and you have to move everything out. So it's just, yeah, been there, done that. Love this because it is frustration free. I haven't seen this before. Check it out. So you've got your self-adhesive strip, but it has a screw on there. I am so impressed. That's really inventive, honestly. Yeah, and it'll be an exact fit for the unit as you'd expect. Look at that. This is such a clever design. Let's put it to use.